Now you guys know how to actually move the robot in to any position you want to. You might as well as record the positions so that you can actually use the data later on to program your robot and teach your robot to go to that particular positions, so that you don't need to every time redundantly go to that position, teach your robot. It's kind of like that. So in order to register the robot at a particular position, those are known as position registers, the PRs in short. So in order to register any particular point, you need to understand in which frame your robot is in the first place. So right now, how do I know it? Like I already told you, it's written over here, it's in world frame. So that's how you get your information in the first place, that your robot is in the world frame and it's taking all the coordinates in the world frame. And then you have to know which tool frame it is in right now. So if I hold shift and coordinate, it shows tool frame 1 and job frame 0 and user frame 0. So basically you're using tool frame 1 and world frame. So these two frames coming together to take you to the desired position. Now, so like the teach pendant, you have different options over here. So for me to actually register any particular position register, that's PRs, just press data. This is basically a data registers. We're not going to talk about these things, but this basically gives you, if at all you want to adjust any of the speeds, you can save those data as speed of so and so value. So you're going to call it back into your programs. So fine, we're not dealing with data registers right now. So in order to go to your position registers, you have type here. These are basically 4 blocks over here, and these blocks can be controlled by F1, F2, F3. So there's 5 key switches over here. So type, it's in the first block, so you press F1, and then you have registers and position registers. You use your arrow keys to navigate, and then go to the position register and press enter. Once you are in the position registers, these are the PRs. So your PR is designated as PR, and one you can after your semicolon, you have the description of what that particular position register is. It's always better, and it's highly recommended for you guys whenever you're doing any PRs. When you're creating the PRs, after the number, please do write what the PR indicates, because you might think I remember it, but they are so many PRs, you might as well as forget about it. As you navigate it, you can use the down switches to navigate, or shift down. It actually goes in 10 increments. So that's pretty much for you guys to figure it out once you work on this. And yeah, so basically whatever it's filled, it is all assigned. So I'm gonna go to a new point where it's not assigned, anything like 32, and then I'm gonna take the robot using these frames. So I want to register that particular position right there. So this is there. Now I press shift. For every operation to record or move the shift, you have to hold the shift, and it is one of the most key buttons over here. So you press shift and then record. It says your position has been recorded to PR32. Now you go there and then type. So this again, what am I doing? Okay. And then press enter. Once after you position registered, once you recorded it, it turns to R, that means recorded. Otherwise it's be asterisk. So that's basically you have empty registers. You can overwrite any particular register at any point of time. So you have, once I press enter, I'm getting all the alphabets over here to write anything, uppercase, lowercase, because uppercase and lowercase are considered as 2 different characters in the FANUC robots. So, and you have punctuations and all other options for you guys to use any of these over here. And then so I'm just gonna go for uppercase and say yay, move along with this B. So again, there's a 5 blocks, F1, F2, F3 basically controls those 5 blocks. It's like a QWERTY keyboard which you guys used on any mobile device eventually. And once you're done with this, just press enter again, and then it's your position register saved. If you want to change this position again, go back to any particular position there, as I'm trying to do using these navigation buttons over here. And then I'm gonna go over here, shift, and then record. That's it. The position has changed instantaneously, and this is your new position register for you. And once you are done with the position registers, you will eventually learn how to use these position registers, this data, to call to your program and use it for any purposes you want to. Thank you.